I'm Jessica Das, and I'm a dietitian from Milwaukee Public Schools Department of Nutrition Services. And I'm here today to cook with you. We received a grant from USDA called the Fresh Fruit and Vegetable Program. And with grant funds, we bought produce bags for families in Milwaukee. If you'd like to participate in this program, you can go to any one of our 50 Stop Grab and Go locations throughout the city. You can pick up a produce bag on Thursdays along with meals for your children. We're also open any school day for meal service. So, what are we making this week and what's in your produce bag? Let's get started. This week we are going to be making MPS Mediterranean chicken wraps with homemade tzatziki sauce. And you're going to be getting a nice head of romaine lettuce, an English seedless cucumber, red grapes, fresh oregano, Roma tomatoes, red onion, and a garlic. So our first recipe is making the sauce that's going to be going into our wraps, and this is called tzatziki. So let's get started. We have our mixing bowl ready to go, and we're going to prep our cucumber. With our English seedless cucumber, we are going to start by peeling. And cucumber is very healthy. English seedless cucumbers are more of a gourmet variety, and they are loaded with water and hydration, which you're going to see in a minute because we actually have to take the water out of the cucumber for this sauce so it doesn't get too juicy. Almost done taking the peel off, and then we are going to use our grater. So throughout the month of March, what we're going to be talking about is how to personalize your plate because it's National Nutrition Month. So this week our theme is how to personalize your plate with limited time. Because we're all so busy, especially during the pandemic, when we're expected more than ever to multitask, have our kids home from school, you name it. There's so much to do, but we still want to eat healthy so we feel our best. So this recipe is a great place to start because wraps are so easy and you can prep the ingredients in advance, maybe on the weekends when you have some time. So I have a cheese grater here. You can also use a food processor, but we're just going to grate it down. And if kids do this part, just make sure that their fingers are back so they don't get a cut. But they can absolutely help. There isn't stovetop work here. Now, as an added bonus this week, you are also going to be getting a pound of chicken from us to use in your wraps. So one less stop at the grocery store. Now we're almost done with our cucumber prep. And another way that you can prep for this recipe and others throughout the week is chop your vegetables in advance all at the same time. So you're going to notice we have the tomato and we have onion and garlic. Now these vegetables don't oxidize fast. Tomatoes do get a little bit juicy, but if you prep them, you can always throw a handful in an omelet later at any time. So here is my cucumber. I'm just going to scoop out the back of my grater because I don't want anything to go to waste ever. And we are going to wring out the water. So I have a cheesecloth, but you can use like a cloth napkin or a few layers of paper towel would be just fine too. It's really pretty simple to get the water out. So I'm going to dump it over here, and then I'm going to give it a nice squeeze. Also a perfect task for a kid to help you with. So you can see why cucumbers are good for hydration. Lots of water coming out. So this is looking pretty good now, just about dry. And we'll put this to the side. You can drink this, extra nutrition. Now we're going to dump our cucumber into our bowl. And we are going to add our other ingredients. So I have 3 cloves of garlic that have been chopped. And this is so good for anti-cancer prevention. Just going to dump that in, get every last bit. And then I have 1 tablespoon of olive oil, good for the heart, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Next, I have Greek yogurt. So Greek yogurt is thicker, it's less runny, higher in protein. They have fat-free varieties, which would be extra heart healthy as well. And I have 2 cups in my bowl. And I'm just going to dump this in and then give my mixture a nice stir. So this tzatziki sauce is really good as a vegetable dip, also a great healthy snack with a whole grain pita or whole grain crackers, which can be packed in a lunch. So let's stir it on up. And you can keep this in the fridge for a couple days. If it separates at all, you just give it a little stir. You can always top it with a little extra olive oil. So that part of our recipe is done already. Next, we're gonna be building up our wrap. So I just have a large tortilla. If you want to get whole grain at the grocery store, that's even better for heart health and prevention of diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. So with our wrap, we are going to be starting with about a 1/4 spoon of our tzatziki sauce, about a 1/4 cup on there. And we're just going to be spreading it out nicely to coat the bottom. So I think one of my downfalls when I make wraps is I always overload it. So just be careful you don't put too much in. Next, what we have our chicken that has been diced and cooked. Now, since we're giving you cooked diced chicken this week, you have to season it at home with about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a little pepper, and about a 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil. And you just want to reheat that either on the stovetop or even in the microwave. But if you're working with raw chicken, cook it to 165 degrees, bring it up to temperature. And you can always just cook off a big batch over the weekend or when you have a less busy day, and then grab little bits or pasta here and there. So I'm gonna put about a 1/2 cup in here. And that looks nice. And next we are going to do our romaine lettuce. So we have this nice and healthy vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Put a little sprinkle. Then our red onions, super healthy anti-cancer. About 1/8 cup. And then we have our Roma tomatoes with lycopene, great for heart health. Just another little 1/4 cup sprinkle on there. And then with our cucumber that was left to the side, we're not gonna forget about it. We're gonna do some slices real quick, so nothing goes to waste. Okay, put it on the top in a nice row. And then we have fresh oregano, really tasty, anti-inflammatory, good source of vitamin K. Nice little herb treat for you this week. And just a little sprinkle will do the trick. It's very flavorful. So this is looking excellent. Nice Mediterranean meal. Now let's wrap and roll. So we're just gonna fold in our sides. And then we are gonna fold up the bottom and roll it all the way, kind of pushing it in as we go. And you can put a little toothpick in the middle if you want, make it like a fancy restaurant at home. And then on the side, we are gonna serve our grapes, anti-inflammatory. Red grapes actually healthier than white grapes because of those heart health benefits. And then we are going to serve it maybe with a nice little glass of milk on the side, and it was fast and ready in seconds. So enjoy this tasty recipe. You can do this along with a lot of other things like meal prepping on the weekends. You can optimize convenience foods if you like by adding frozen fruits and vegetables, whether it's a pizza, just throwing a little sprinkle of spinach on top, making fresh fruit smoothies, you name it, canned soup, throw in some mixed vegetables. We are all so busy right now that being organized in the kitchen is always a good idea. And then when you get recipes from us, having a recipe binder to the side is also very handy. But don't forget, you can take advantage of our MPS Stop, Grab, and Go locations because we have meals ready-made for your kids already. Now, one extra time-saving trip is you're always welcome to send a friend to pick up meals for your kids. And you can take turns with a different household doing this. So if you choose to take turns to save each other some time, just tell us how many kids are 18 and under in the household, and then let us know what schools they're from. So these tips save time, they produce healthy food, which is a healthy family in the end if you all eat well together. And I hope you enjoy this recipe this week. I can't wait to see you again next week when we talk about how to personalize your plate on a budget. Take care.